All right. This is the reading fill in the blanks practice number 6. For this one right here, we're going to try to move forward first and then come back, because you're going to see that sometimes there's a lot of options for that one blank. So we want to eliminate some of those options and then come back. Now, the first one right here, it's really up to you. If you notice the right here, if we have a the and then had, which is a verb, right? Hopefully you'll know right away that we need to have a noun here. Now, if you look at the nouns below, I would say weapon, battle, and gun. All three of those are nouns. And we don't need to deal with singular or plural because the doesn't actually give you that clue. So the weapon had to be arranged, the battle had to be arranged, the gun had to be arranged. Which one sounds best to you? Now for me, I kind of know right away because of this word, but let's say we're not sure. This is when we try to come back. Let's see if we can eliminate some options and then come back to it. Now next one is the same thing. You see we have the be verb right here. Was never. Now, after the be verb, we can have two types of words. Because we don't have anything else besides a comma, we don't really know what we can put here. Most likely, it's adjective or past participle. And we have both. Do you see that? We have obeyed, we have kept, and we have legal. Fought as well. Look at that. So we have 4 options. So maybe we don't do these first. Let's come back. And now look at that right here. This one gives us a higher chance of knowing what we need here. So rules were blank 2. Right away, I hope you notice be verb and a preposition. We should be looking for past participle, right? That's the first option. If we don't have past participles, then we look for some adjectives. But it should be passive voice. Now, for the past participle, we have kept, fought, and obeyed. Now, if you take a look here, the clue would be rules. What do we do with the rules? We obey rules, right? But this is the tricky part. The preposition has to go with that word. Obeyed to. This is passive voice. Do we use obeyed with a to? For example, if you were to speak it, you say the rules were obeyed by us. The rules were obeyed. I can't actually think of another preposition to use for obeyed except for by in the passive voice. How about you? So that has a high chance of telling us this is probably not the answer. Even though when you see rules were obeyed, it just sounds good, right? But that too throws us off. The other option could be here, because we don't fight rules, right? Rules were fought? Nah. Kept to. The rules were kept to. Have you heard that before? If not, then this is the first time, and we're going to learn this dependent preposition. When something is kept to, when the rules were kept to, it means that the rules were obeyed. That's just the other way to say it. They almost tricked us here, right? Because we think rules obeyed. But that to eliminated the option. So the answer is actually kept to. All right, so now let's go to the next one down here. Usual, and then preposition. Usual is an adjective, and then we have a preposition. I know we need to have a noun. So back at this noun, we're still going to have a whole bunch. However, we have clues. This is the biggest clue. I hope you know what that is. It's a sword, right? So pistols became the more usual what? Do you know what a pistol is? Pistol is a gun, okay? So pistols became the more usual gun after swords. Now, swords, because you might be thinking gun. After swords went out of fashion, pistols are guns, but swords are not. So why would they say that is the more usual gun? I don't think it is gun. I think it is weapon. I think pistols became the more usual weapon because people stopped using swords. And now we have eliminated 2 options. So let's go back to this one. We know we need to have a noun here, right? So what are we left with? We have gun and battle. Now, like I said, the key word for me was arranged. something you need to arrange. Things that you arrange would be like an event, a date, something like that. And for me, how do you arrange a gun? You don't arrange a gun, but you can arrange a battle. It's like a fight, right? Like, meet me after school at the bike rack. I'm sorry, I don't even know if you guys understand that joke. But as kids back in the day, when we were in elementary school and junior high school, if we're about to fight with somebody, we would say that. Meet me after school at the bike rack. Nobody would show up. Everybody's scared to fight. Okay? But here I would put battle because we don't arrange guns. And now lastly, I know this is either a past participle or an adjective. And we have two options left. I'm sorry, three. But this is not oh, here you go. Three options. So, dueling was never blank. You might not know what dueling means, but this is the same sentence. So a battle had to be arranged privately. Why would a fight or a battle need to be arranged privately? So you mean you have to schedule that in secret, right? Well, that must mean that this is the battle. Dueling was never. So why would you arrange something secretly or privately? Because that is not legal. You can't do it legally. So that's why I would pick the adjective here. Not fought, not obeyed. And that is how I came across these answers. I hope that helps.